Hey, what's up fellas, it's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys we'll talk about 2016 Jeep Compass. It's a high altitude trim. We'll do some repairs on it, and it's going to be the front brake pads. I did already the left caliper. For some reason I forgot to film it. It's too late for me to do that, but text below if you guys wanted to see more repairs on this kind of a car, because just recently I posted a repair on a 14 15 Grand Caravan, and people were really interested about, like, they were asking more repairs on such a car. So like, again, comment below if you need guys any more repairs on, again, repeat myself, 2016 Jeep Compass. And I'm pretty sure these repairs, they can apply on any kind of trims, not only on a high altitude. Yeah, this is a 2.4 engine, very common engine on this kind of cars. Also the, how we call that, Dodge Journey has the same engine, same suspension. I'm pretty sure a lot of cars from Mopar has same kind of a brake system and same engine. So yeah, let's go ahead and guys show you what you have to do first to start working on the brake pads. First thing to do is to remove the wheel. We got this little 19mm lug nuts, easy removal. We got here the rotor, which is still good. And why I'm replacing the brake pads, guys, is because I did replace on the left side, and why I did is because of the caliper got stuck. So I did have to replace the, once I remove the caliper, I want to put brand new brake pads. These brake pads, they're not really bad. You can see here they're still thick, have some life. But once I replace them on the left side, I'll definitely replace on the right. So yeah, let me show you. I did put already the wheel. Let me show you the brand new caliper, brand new brake pads. Like I said, I forgot to film that, but yeah guys, it's not really complicated. So let me know if you need that too. I'll definitely film it. So all right guys, let's start this process. So as many videos I do, guys, if you watched any other cars brake pads replacement, it's what I do is I'm putting a straight screwdriver in here, and I'm trying to attach get some attachment by the brake pad, and I'm pushing the caliper out. So this way you don't have to insert the brake caliper tool, the pusher, the special tool, to push the piston into caliper. So this way guys, you don't need a special tool, special kit to push the piston inside. So let me show it to you like that, right? So what you do is, you can see guys, let me show it to you. You can see how is it pulling it out, and you can see the space just like here. You can see it, how easy was to pull the caliper out, which is push the piston inside. This way guys, it's gonna save a lot of time for you. Next step guys, what you want to do is you want to grab 14mm on a wrench and unscrew the pins from the caliper. It's not really complicated. Like I said guys, this is very easy. I believe anyone can do it in their personal garage. As you see right here, this pin came out easily. We need some lubrication. Don't forget to lubricate your pins. This one as well. All right, so we got the caliper out. This caliper definitely seen better days, but what we do is we are removing the brake pads out. Like I said, pretty good ones, but we're definitely gonna remove and replace them. So we got here the brand new ones. Wait, one goes right here, and second goes behind. Yep. Here we go. Alright guys, here is the brand new brake pads. And next what you want to do is you want to make sure you don't do this, but watch the hose, the braking line, so you install it right, just like that. Here we go. We're gonna go and grab some lubrication for these pins. Go ahead and put it back to normal into inside of the bracket, tie them up, and install the tire. It's really, it's really hard to put the pins in and also to hold the caliper, but you can see I put the lubrication in just like that. You put a little bit on it, don't put too much, just to make sure the pins don't need any sliding and they don't get rust inside. So it's kind of, you seal them out. This one has two, as you see right there. Yep, this one has two. So right now what we're doing is we're going ahead and tie them up. I'm gonna go as much as we can, turn up with the fingers, and then we're gonna tie it up with the wrench. All right, tight. All right, here we go, guys. Easy going. New brake pads on. Before you guys start in the car, make sure you pump a little bit the braking pedal, so this way the brake pads comes to the right place, and the piston from the caliper is pushing in. It goes tied up, and then you're just ready to go. First 30-60 minutes, guys. Don't go too fast, don't brake too hard, go slightly nice, easy, so the brakes are they are getting the right place. So yeah guys, next let's go and put this wheel in. Here we go. And now our job is done. Brand new brake pads installed. As usual, that was mechanic mode. A very quick video how to replace the front brake pads on a Jeep Compass Dodge Journey. And also guys, I know it for a fact, if you're watching this video, if you are a beginner mechanic and you need help, make sure you're talking to a mechanic and you show what you're doing. Don't do something that you don't know how to do it. But this is pretty easy, and it's do it home yourself, DIY. I'm pretty sure anyone is capable to do this, especially people who likes to fix cars by themselves. That was mechanic mode. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, many comments, share if you need to or you feel like. See you next time.